hearts really. Everyone here in the Viva family, we are so grateful for each and every one of you. You know, we know that you guys, some of you traveled a long distance to get here today. We know and we really appreciate that. And for all the fan projects that you guys do for us, thank you so much. Your unwavering support is really, truly cherished to us. And secondly, to our Viva family, Boss Vic and the Del Rosario family, Boss Vincent, Boss Bal, Boss Veronique, and Tita June, maraming salamat. Because if it wasn't for you guys, we would not be here on this stage today. Right, Ash?
Tama. At saka sobrang na-appreciate namin na kahit sino yung tumutungtong dito sa stage, nag-cheer talaga kayo. Kaya maraming salamat po.
And lastly, Ashley Nolviga. I'm really proud of you. You see this? I'm galing, you know, Ash, I truly want to say that I truly appreciate you, you know. And starting my journey, you know, I wouldn't have wished to have done with anyone else. You are not only a blessing to my life, but a blessing to many others here today. So with that being said, thank you. Nagulat ka ba?
Oo! Na-speechless ako. Wala akong masabi. Pero proud na proud din ako sa'yo. And sobrang happy ko din na ikaw yung kasama ko ngayon dito.